Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing Bihari Kabab recipe. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. For making Bihari Kabab, you can either choose chicken. That is, chicken means you have to take breast pieces in which you can make nice thin slices or you can take mutton or even you can take beef. Today I have taken beef pasanda pieces. To the butcher, if you ask for pasanda pieces, they will give these kind of thin slices and you can come and make ribbon like pieces how I am making at home. Nicely wash these pieces always in 10 to 15 water, which will keep your beef very nice without having any smell or extra strong flavor. To these pieces I am going to add ginger garlic paste, green chili paste. Green chili you can increase or decrease according to your spice level. I am adding store-bought Bihari Kabab powder, followed by kachri powder, that is meat tenderizer, very little, quarter teaspoon only, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and handful of crushed fried onions. Mustard oil is a must and also little bit of turmeric powder. I forgot to show lemon juice. Lemon juice is also a meat tenderizer. If you don't have Bihari Kabab masala from store-bought one, just add little bit of garam masala, chili powder and turmeric powder. That's it, nothing extra. Always marinating it overnight is best. You will get nice best results. That's what I did. I will be using my skewers, these kind of skewers. If you don't have, no worries, you can always use wooden use and throw skewers itself. Whenever you pierce these pasanda pieces, you should always pierce it very close by. Do not keep it little far away and all the pieces should be sticking to each other so that the heat will be inside it will be getting cooked. Do not miss out any masala. Wipe out all the masala and keep it on the kebabs itself. That will keep the kebabs much more juicier. Now I will be baking it in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit. You can always do this on your stove top also. If you have cast iron tawas and all, it will be very nice. You can do it on tawa or even on grill or even outdoor grills also. It will be perfectly fine. When it was 20 minutes done, I took it and flipped it once and kept it back. Now our awesome Bihari Kabab is very much ready and you can always serve it in different ways, either with salad, either with rice or by the side, or even just simply with naan and salad too. Follow closely the ingredients I listed. This will give extremely different flavor and different taste. Sure, give it a try. Hope you all like this video. If you like